In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can back up your chat on WhatsApp. It's pretty simple. So first what you want to do is open up your WhatsApp. And once you open up your WhatsApp, at the bottom right corner, you can see this option called You. You want to click on You. Once you do that, it's going to take you to your profile section. As you guys can see, my name is being displayed and all this setting. From over here, you want to click on the option called Chats, which is right below Account. Click on Chats. Now once you're inside chats over here, you can see the third option where it says chat backup. Now we want to back up our chat, so we will click on it. And once we're over here, it says backup now. So since I'm using iPhone, my WhatsApp is automatically connected to my iCloud. So as you guys can see, it's showing me my iCloud at the top. So if I click on backup now, it's going to be backed up in my iCloud, which means whichever iCloud I'm currently logged in my phone right now, the chat is going to be backed up on that iCloud. And to check which iCloud you're logged in, just go inside your phone setting, and at the top it's going to show you your iCloud name. As you guys can see, my iCloud is Jake, so now I remember which iCloud I'm currently logged in on this phone. So the chat is going to be backed up on my Jake iCloud, alright? So that's basically how you guys can back up chat on WhatsApp. Now after this loading is complete, it'll be backed up. You can also see it's showing me 85% done. Once it's 100% done, basically my chat has been backed up. So that's how you guys can do it. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I will be seeing you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.